stigma or the idea that I have about acting, break all the fear that I have about if whatever little I have, break it up.
So basically I'm expecting to work on my craft in a way where I become a bit more honest, real, and I don't have to act.
Actually, last exercise which I had done, I mean with them, online course. So there I got to know many activities which will actually help us to be a better actor. So that's the reason I'm here to learn these activities and these exercises which will really help me ahead.
From this course, I want to know the core of acting, and I want to use that in my daily life as well as when I'm acting on screen.
The truth is I want more. Okay, that's just not enough for me, and I know this place can give me more. Make me return to the actor's routine that I've kind of strayed away from.
Last time when I did the course online, then I became a better person and I felt like the actor in me really came out. So I thought the physical workshop would help even more, and I've seen a lot of change in just like 4 days. So I'm really looking forward to what happens.
Using the space, using the truthfulness, how to be honest, how to accept things. It helps to live a better life also. That's what I've learned till now. And yes, I want to feel that in the physical workshop.
So I'm expecting I get a lot of knowledge, techniques I was not even aware of. There are multiple exercises that one can do and practice on his own.
Honestly, I'm expecting to connect with myself more, to connect with others more, and to be more open towards acting.
So I'm expecting from this course to explore myself, become more vulnerable, try different kind of exercises that makes me a good actor.
It's an amazing feeling. Amazing is a very ganda word for that.
The camera acting we did in the course, this was the first time that I felt that camera wasn't there, but it was still there. So yeah, it was I think it can become my best friend.
I've got some life hacks and some life lessons from this course, because the more you get in touch with yourself, the better actor you are, and that's just life.
I was really happy after the camera acting performance. So this is new for me and it was a wonderful experience. I am very happy.
I think it's not one of those courses where you just learn acting. You learn a lot about how to be a person, and that is very important to be an actor.
It was so effortless for me because इतना जो सब कुछ सिखाया हमको, actually मैंने वो सब use किया and it really worked for me.
It's because this is definitely worth it. This is definitely one of the best that you can do, and like they said today, if you want to be the best, you learn from the best.
Seriously, it was a great experience for me, and I really recommend this course to everyone who wants to become an actor.
I feel amazing after the course. I believe that what separated me from being the person I was to becoming the best person or the best version of myself that I want to be was this course.
So after the course, basically this helped me to just loosen up, yeah.
So we only requested them, all of us, that like और एक course चाहिए, we need an advanced batch and we need to keep at it. जो उन्होंने किया है वो बहुत बड़ा change लाया है मेरे body में, मेरे बोलने के style में and acting में. So yeah, I'm very happy and looking forward.
And I'm really happy I did this course. Thanks a lot to the Actors Truth and the team behind it. Love you all.